Did you mistakenly deleted a Facebook post and wish you could get it back? There's a way to restore your deleted post. I'm Emily from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to restore your deleted posts on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Activity Log. At the top, you can see Trash. Tap on it. Here, you can see your deleted posts from a month ago. Now tap on the post that you want to restore. Then tap on Restore to Profile. And that's it. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.